Welcome to Institute for Humanities. Today we have with us our very own Shubhra Ranjan ma'am. Ma'am barely needs any introduction, but for our new viewers, I would like to tell. Shubhra ma'am started her educational journey in Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh. She completed her graduation and post-graduation from the very prestigious Delhi University, which is a dream university for many students. With her exceptional proficiency in the subject, she became the topper in BA Political Science as well as MA Political Science in University of Delhi. Later, she did her MPhil in Political Science in DU only. But this was just a beginning for her. She started mentoring UPSC Civil Services Examination students, aspirants in year 1999. And under her guidance, Shubhra Ranjan IAS has produced many toppers in India's toughest examination. So now, let's learn about CUET exam and strategy from Shubhra Ranjan ma'am. Ma'am, BA Political Science is one of the most sought after courses in University of Delhi. And you are known as expert in political science. So can you tell us why political science is so most, so renowned subject?
See, one of the reason is that since many past years, political science has been the best performing optional in civil services, which is obviously a career choice of most of the students who go for humanities. Now, another thing is that the importance of political science has increased because the career options have proliferated. If you are going into media, if you are going into journalism, political science gives you a very good base. Students doing political science, when they do law also, they get an added advantage. Along with that, now various types of startups like NGOs, social sector, research organizations. So the demand for the students who have done their graduation and post-graduation, even election studies. So the fields have multiplied. And obviously, I will say it is one of the oldest disciplines known as master science, and it is so interdisciplinary that it allows you later on, if you want to do something else in some other subject also, you have a good base.
Ma'am, you have been a student and in fact the topper in University of Delhi. You have seen DU inside and out. So can you tell us what makes DU that interesting or more sought after university?
I can admit with all sense of gratitude that I'll say my Delhi University years, I can still say the best years of my life. And the exposure I got, the personality development, the opportunities I got, I believe that whatever I am today, there is a significant contribution of Delhi University. So in whichever field you want to go into journalism, civil services, social services, whichever place, the type of exposure you will get in humanities. I think as far as humanities graduation is concerned, still DU should be the first choice of the students because in comparison to other colleges and universities, I have seen the syllabus is far ahead in accordance to the global trend, and you get an edge, and one must take the experience of DU, and I am really proud of it.
So am I. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you think students need a different approach for CUET exam or the board's preparation will suffice there?
No, the thing is, I have seen the students that they are not very serious in class 11th, and then they put lot of efforts in class 12th, but the way board papers are very different from CUET paper, and it is designed in a objective manner. So objective questions they may give you an impression that they are easy, but not, because you require conceptual information as well as factual. And I have seen that the standard of CUET has been good last year, and that was the first time. But From now onwards, the difficulty level is going to increase because they will have to eliminate the students. So those who are looking for prestigious universities like Delhi University and then the prestigious college, as well as a subject of your choice, keeping in mind your future career, this is the time. Be very, very serious. You have to be in a very safe hands. Safe hands means with the teachers who have been an accomplished teacher, who have an experience in this type of teaching, because these 2-3 months will make a big difference. And please don't play with or don't experiment with your careers.
Ma'am, what according to you is the best strategy for CUT 2023?
The best strategy is comprehensive coverage of the syllabus, and I will say that the last year's paper was primarily around NCRT, but the students from other boards, they also appear. So I will suggest that try to broaden your reference and doing lot of practice, because when you solve a question, you commit a mistake, you go and see where what have went wrong, then only your concepts become clear. So more MCQ practice, crisp notes, this is the need of the time at present.
Ma'am, do you think our crash courses will ensure the success of students in?
Yes, we have tried our best. We have tried to get the best faculty with the best of the information, the MCQ practice, all which should be there. That is a part of the program, like doubt clearing, mentorship, and I believe this is going to be a real help for the students, and they will realize once they will do the course.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.